Ever wondered if Notion could be more than just a digital workspace? What if it could be a source of income? In this video, we're diving deep into the question, is Notion profitable? Before we get into the specifics, let's take a step back. Notion is a versatile tool that can be used for everything from note-taking and project management to building entire websites. But can it be a moneymaker? The answer is, it depends. Notion's profitability largely hinges on how you use it. Let's explore some potential avenues. 1. Freelance services. One of the most straightforward ways to make money with Notion is to offer freelance services. You could create custom Notion templates, design templates for specific use cases, such as productivity, marketing, or education, provide consulting services, help businesses and individuals set up and optimize their Notion workspaces, offer Notion training, teach others how to use Notion effectively. The key to success in this area is to specialize in a niche and build a strong online presence. 2. Digital products. Another option is to create and sell digital products based on Notion. This could include ebooks, write guides or tutorials on how to use Notion for specific purposes, courses, create online courses that teach people how to use Notion to achieve their goals, pre-built Notion databases, sell pre-designed databases for tasks like task management, content calendars, or habit tracking. The beauty of digital products is that once you create them, you can sell them repeatedly without much additional effort. 3. Content creation. If you enjoy creating content, Notion can be a valuable tool for your workflow. You can use Notion as a content calendar, plan and organize your content ideas, create blog posts and articles, write and edit your content directly in Notion, design social media graphics, use Notion's templates and blocks to create visually appealing graphics. By leveraging Notion for your content creation process, you can increase your productivity and potentially monetize your content through advertising, sponsorships, or affiliate marketing. 4. Business applications. Notion can also be a valuable tool for businesses. You could create internal knowledge bases, store and organize important information for your team, develop project management systems, track tasks, deadlines, and progress, build customer relationship management, CRM, databases, manage customer interactions and data. By using Notion effectively, businesses can streamline their operations and potentially reduce costs. 5. Personal productivity. While not directly tied to income, Notion can be a powerful tool for personal productivity. By using it to organize your tasks, goals, and habits, you can increase your efficiency and overall well-being. A more productive you can lead to better career opportunities and increased earning potential. So, is Notion profitable? The answer is, it can be. With the right approach and a bit of creativity, you can turn Notion into a valuable tool for generating income. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.